Good morning. Angels brought me here by Sebastian. It's been a long and winding journey, but I'm finally here tonight. We're picking up the pieces and walking back into the light, into the sunset of your glory, where my heart and future lies. There's nothing like that feeling when I look into your eyes. My dreams came true when I found you. I found you. My miracle. If you could see what I see, you're the answer to my prayer. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear. The angels brought me here. Standing here before you feels like I'll be born again. Every breath speaks your love, every heartbeat speaks your name. My dreams came true right here in front of you. My miracle. If you can see what I see, you're the answer to my prayer. Oh, and if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear. Yeah, and the angels brought me here, brought me here to be with you. I'll be forever grateful, oh, forever faithful. My dreams came true when I found you. My miracle. If you could see what I see, you're the answer to my prayers. If you can feel the tenderness I feel, you will know it would be clear. Yeah, the angels brought me here. You're the answer to my prayer. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear. The angels brought me here. Thank you.